Buy XRP Now. Buying XRP Now can be a strategic move depending on market conditions, regulatory developments, and your investment goals. As a fast and low-cost cryptocurrency used for cross-border payments, XRP remains popular despite legal challenges. Below is a guide to buying XRP securely and efficiently. 1. Reasons to buy XRP now. Fast transactions and low fees. XRP is designed for quick, cost-effective transfers. Increasing adoption. Ripple's growing partnerships with banks and financial institutions. Market conditions. Potential buying opportunities during market dips or legal clarity. 2. Best platforms to buy XRP now. Binance. High liquidity, various payment options, and competitive fees. Kraken. Secure platform with fiat and crypto trading pairs for XRP. KuCoin. Supports XRP trading with minimal KYC requirements. Bitstamp. One of the oldest exchanges supporting XRP with fiat deposits. Third, payment methods for buying XRP now. Credit debit cards. Instant purchase but higher fees. Bank transfers. Lower fees but may take longer to process. Crypto to crypto. Exchange Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT for XRP quickly. 4 steps to buy XRP now. Choose an exchange. Select a trusted platform with XRP listings. Create and verify your account. Complete registration and KYC if required. Deposit funds. Add fiat currency or crypto to your exchange wallet. Buy XRP. Place a market order for instant purchase or a limit order for a set price. Secure your XRP. Transfer to a private wallet for long-term holding. 5. Best wallets to store XRP. Trust Wallet. Mobile wallet with XRP support. Ledger. Nano S/X. Hardware wallets for offline security. XUMM wallet. XRP-specific wallet with advanced features. 6. Market factors to consider before buying now. Legal status. The ongoing SEC case against Ripple may affect XRP's price and availability. Market trends. Monitor price charts, trading volume, and market sentiment. Regulatory news. Positive rulings or new partnerships can drive price increases. 7. Risks of buying XRP now. Regulatory uncertainty. Legal battles could impact price or exchange availability. Market volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate significantly. Exchange fees. Be aware of trading, deposit, and withdrawal fees. 8. Tips for buying XRP now. Buy during dips. Take advantage of temporary price drops for better entry points. Diversify investments. Don't allocate all funds to XRP alone. Use secure platforms. Stick to well-known exchanges for safety. Buying XRP now can be an opportunity if you believe in its long-term potential, especially with Ripple's growing adoption in global finance. Always consider market conditions, legal factors, and secure storage when purchasing XRP.